Hey guys, alright, so today I'm going to be introducing you to a fantastic piece of software called World Creator. And World Creator is a real-time terrain and landscape generation program. Now I'm here on the website, I'm just looking through the gallery. You guys can head over to worldcreator.com and you can basically see what this program is capable of. And there's some users over here that have uploaded some fantastic examples and uses of the program. So head over to World Creator. The program is not free, guys, but if you are interested in creating fantastic and real-time terrain and landscape generation, you can head over to their website, support them, and get yourself a copy of World Creator. So I'm basically going to be giving you guys a full introduction to World Creator, detailing all of the useful tools and features that I use within my workflow. So I'll cover everything in real time from start to finish, and at the end you will basically learn how to create your own terrains and landscapes effortlessly with so much variation, control and speed. You'll also learn how to texture terrain, export it and use it with any 3D program. Alright, so if you guys actually enjoy the series here on YouTube, I also have a Gumroad version of this introduction to World Creator that includes some bonus content. So I'll be doing a full breakdown of my Star Wars flyover scene. I'll be showing you from start to finish how I put that image together, and in that breakdown I'll be using World Creator, Cinema 4D, Octane Render and Photoshop. And then I've also included 10 World Creator project files for you guys to basically study, modify or export to use within your projects. So I hope you guys are ready for this. This is actually a fantastic piece of software. I'm going to be showing you just how powerful real-time programs are, and I'll show you how quick and easy we can create terrain using World Creator. So without further ado, let's dive straight into our first video, which is going to be navigation in UI.